Good evening. Sanibona. Yini njani? Niyaphila. Mfowami Khonza lo ngiyanibingelela kuntambama nje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys ngokuthi nibe la niqhubeke nisupporta channel ethi Mfowami Khonza TV and podcast ku YouTube. Kanjalo nethi Mfowami Khonza ku TikTok. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Support eninginika yona. Ama subscribers kakhulu ngiyawabonga, nama followers ngiyawabonga, nama viewers ngiyawabonga kakhulu. Kodwa ngisacela ukuthi ama viewers angaka subscribe enze kanjalo, angisubscribe aphinda follow. Ngiyabonga. I've just listened to Chief Whip we MK Party Parliament umama uMakhubela ekhuluma la ku Newsroom Africa. Usekuvezile ukuthi ilist yabaye parliament beyo represent MK Party useyitholile ivela ku Mother Body MK Party, and i-confirmation ikhona manje ukuthi Commander Floyd Shivambu is indeed not going to parliament. So it's confirmed now. It's confirmed. Akai Commander Floyd at parliament. Shoti everything that he said with press briefing yakhe ukuthi he's no longer going to parliament, it was true. Akaye parliament. Kodwa ake sibongele laba abakwi list abayo represent MK Party parliament ukuthi bathole ithuba lokuthi bawusimela. Asithembe ukuthi bayoyimela kahle MK Party eparliament. Sithembe ukuthi bawusimela kahle kakhulu. We believe ukuthi i-selection yabo nama appointments enziwe kubo ukuthi bawusimela le i-Mother Body ama officials MK Party enze i-decision right kakhulu. Kumele sikuthembe lokho. Ingakho sithi siyaba congratulate, siphinde sibacele ukuthi uma be parliament sicela bayosebenza, sicela bayosimela eparliament ngendlela right. Ilokho nje akukho okuningi. Bese ngibuya kwindaba yawo ama officials wethu MK Party. Ofethu after everything that has happened recently kwi MK Party, ngithi nje ake siphinde sincome i-leadership ye MK Party ngomsebenzi wenzayo for i-party. Kunzima kakhulu, siyazi ukuthi njoba i-MK Party sentsha nje vele kuzoba nama challenge amaningi. I can imagine ukuthi ba go through what, because kunento eziningi ezenzakalayo ku MK Party nama DC enzakalayo ngasese. Kuningi okwenzakalayo, izinto ezifana nama court case. Siyazi even abanye abaholi bethu lapha kuma officials nabo basenama case kufanele bawaphendule ezinkantolo, abafana noBaba uHlophe nje naye uMsholozi upresident wethu banama case ezinkantolo abasadila nawo. Bangaphosisi naye uDuduzile noma engekho kuma officials eseparliament, kodwa mangikhumbula kahle kune case naye ehambayo ecourt leya July unrest. Yeah, so kuningi bafethu, but la ngi specific ngikhuluma ngama officials. Uzothi omunye umfaka kanjani uDuduzile, ngoba ngifuna ukuza kuyo indaba kaDuduzile Zuma. Sekukaningi la kuma comment abantu bathi ake ngiyikhulume indaba kaDuduzile. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoDuduzile, ngikhulume ngama officials MK Party, because kunalento le elokhu ikhulunywa la kuthiwa doesn't make sense ukuthi MK Party sithembe thina ukuthi leadwa uZuma neNational High Command, kodwa phinde kube ngilokhu vela amagama aboDuduzile and stuff. Bafowethu, uDuduzile Zuma is a parliamentarian, is a member of parliament. As far as I know, she's not part of the National High Command. Angazi kodwa bangangisiza abantu ake ngithi noma ake ngithi is not part of ama officials MK party ngokwazi kwami yiloko engakusho. So ngifuna ukusho ukuthi angikholelwa abafethu ukuthi iqiniso ukuthi ama officials MK party noma ake ngithi nje National High Command leadership MK party kafishane angikholelwa ukuthi kuyiqiniso ukuthi ilawula uDuduzile. I don't believe that. Even uCommander of Lord Chibam ushilo ukuthi uMsholozi is surrounded by people abathile abangekho right and stuff, but he didn't mention names. Kodwa ke public iyazicabangela ukuthi he was referring to uDuduzile nabanye mhlawumbe. But the fact ukuthi aka mention amagama ngicabanga ukuthi ku unfair ukuthi sibe ngilokhu siyiphinda phindile indaba yokuthi uDuduzile is influencing ama decisions MK party. Fanele sikholelwe ukuthi ama decision MK party enziwa ngama officials MK party. Nawo awazenzeli nje into esuka kuwe kodwa sebenzisa i constitution. Yiloko engifisa ukusho bafethu. Indaba kaDuduzile, uDuduzile njengoba ayimember yeParliament kufanele ukuthi sazi ukuthi uma ngabe eyimember yeParliament eseParliament ngokwe constitution yeMK party akanangxenye ekutheni kwenzakalani ngaphandle kweParliament noma akanangxenye ezintweni ezenzakalayo kuma meetings ama officials MK party. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uMsholozi wayechaza kaningi lento wathi iMK party izosebenza kanje. Umuntu oseParliament ngeke aphinde abe kuma meetings ama officials MK party. Washo kanje. Ningangilungisa uma ngabe ngibheda ngikhuluma into engekho kodwa wayibeka kanjalo. Okusho ukuthi for example omama nje ngikhuluma ngaye manje uChief Whip uMama Makhubela nje obeseParliament they can't comment ngama decisions enziwe ama officials noma they are not influencing ama decisions enziwa iMother Board noma ngama officials MK party. Nangu nje manje bebambuza la ukuthi kungani igama lika Floyd lingekho kule list yeParliament. She didn't comment. Yabo, she deferred the matter to iMother Board because she has nothing to say. Yena into akhuluma ngayo into eyenzeka eParliament. Uyayibona leyo nto? Into eyenzeka eParliament. Uzothi omunye ke engani uDr John Hlophe useParliament kodwa futhi ubuye abe ngapha kuma officials. There is an exception. There is an exception, but ubaba uJohn Hlophe uyileader yeMK party kuphi eParliament. Yingakho isikhathi esiningi kuma decisions enziwa yiMK party ngaphandle kweParliament angakhomenti kakhulu, although in a way ene interaction neMother Board noma nama officials eMK party noma nama leaders eMK party and stuff, but into yena a contributor kakhulu kuyo noma a commenta kakhulu kuyo into eyenzeke eParliament. Is leading in Parliament. In short ngeke size sithi kuma decisions enzeka kuma meetings ama officials unesandla esikhulu ubaba uHlophe because umsebenzi wakhe omkhulu uphi useParliament. That's how things are. Uyayibona? And nako unye ngifuna ukusho uma kuukuthi ngempela uDuduzile Zuma une influence kuma decisions, for example lawa a recent enzeke kuCommander Floyd, uma kuukuthi ube ne influence ngoba abaningi basho straight bathi nguye owenze ukuthi kuxoshwe uCommander Floyd, uDuduzile uye ukuphushile lokho ukuthi kuze kwenzeke. Nicabanga ukuthi onke lama officials eMK party kungana ngakuvezi lokho ukuthi thina singama officials siye sa decide kanje kodwa kwase kuqhamuka isinqumo esingasazi esiqhamuke eceleni mhlambe noDuduzile mhlambe noZuma noDuduzile. Ngicabanga ukuthi lamadoda ahlonipheke kangaka lapha alida iMK Party ngempela angenza ama decisions alawulwe uDuduzile ngempela. Mangiyibuka mina angicabangi kanjani. I don't think so. Okay, we may be knowing ukuthi uDuduzile ufila kanjani ngoFloyd. Siyakwazi mhlawumbe izinto akwazi posta ngoFloyd ku Twitter and all that. But I don't think ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthi inside the MK Party final decisions enziwa uDuduzile. No. Okay, iconstitution yethu iyakuvumela ukuthi kube nama discussions about iqembu and everything veze umbono, but at the end of the day who takes decisions in the MK Party? It's the national officials, not an individual. Even Umsholozi doesn't make decisions alone. Yingakho mawuzobheka makiwa ku press briefing kufike kukhulume uchair asho ukuthi naku okwenzekile noma ama decisions athathiwe and all that. No SG abekwenza lokho SG Floyd ukuthi nawo ama decisions athathwe ngama officials and stuff. Yayibona? Because akusiyo umuntu oyedwa owenza lawo ma decisions. Kungenzeka mhlambe kungahlulwana kuma debate makudebatewa ngetopic ethile noma ngepoint elithile noma ngesinqumo esithile okumele sithathwe. Kodwa at the end of the day mhlambe kulawo ma debate kuma meeting ama officials but isinqumo sizokwenziwa sibe a collective decision. At the end of the day kuzoba a collective decision so ukuthi sizobe sekuyisinqumo esenziwe yibo bonke noma ukuthi mhlawumbe abanye bebangavumelana ke ngibekisi mhlawumbe abanye bebangavumelana nokuthi akakhishwe uFloyd kubeni uSG akaphinda ngaye eParliament. Possible ukuthi kuma meeting ama officials mhlawumbe beyikhona idebate enjalo bathi abanye no asiqhubeke simiye kabe uSG. Mhlawumbe abanye bethe hayi akaye eParliament yabo. Mhlawumbe kwagcina kufike kuleso sinqumo ke kwathiwa no uyaphuma vele eParliament sebevumele neke kodwa bonke even though abanye bebaphikisa kuma debates. Mhlawumbe even after ke sekwenzekile konke lokho kwaphinde kwa decide futhi no after ama revelations athile noma izinto ezithile ezivelile kamuva sebe decide ukumisa eParliament kwaphinde kwahlalwa futhi kwa decide no after kuvele lokhu sicabanga angasayi eParliament. Nakhona lapho i-collective decision ama-decisions abawenze bonke as officials. Yayibona leyo nto. So ngiyazama ukuyibheka lento eshiwo ngabantu ukuthi uDuduzile ngempela influence ku-MK Party. Yiphi proof abantu abanayo yalokho ukuthi this is proof yokuthi uDuduzile nobabu wakhe ba influencene kanje kwagcina kwenziwa le decision ngoba abantu bagcina sebethi i-family stokvel iMK Party besusela kuDuduzile ukuthi influence obani ubaba uMsholozi. So iphi proof ke esinayo yalo because akusizi ukuthi si-speculate based on izinto esike sazizwa mhlawumbe ezikhuluma uDuduzile before ngoFloyd bese sithi kunjalo and stuff no but let's come up with something ukuthi nayi proof and manje beyingaba nesisindo leyo proof uma ingaqhamuka from one of the officials eMK Party okuyibona benza ama decision eMK Party akasitshela ukuthi ngempela kuyiqiniso lo because up to this day none of them oqhamukile wazokusho lo ukuthi uDuduzile uyena othathe inqumo kuMK Party. So thina sikuthatha happy because we are not even there kuma meetings ama officials sikuthatha happy because lento lena mangabe singayilawuli noma ingalawuleki bafethu iqembu lethu lizoba nenkinga ngempela. Angicabangi mina njengomfuka Mkhonzi ukuthi if uyimember yeMK Party uyithanda ngempela iMK Party ungaspeculator into efana nale ukuthi iMK ama officials waya wayithathela inquma thathelwa indodakazi kapresident. Uma uyiMK yangempela angicabanga ukuthi ungayisho into enjengale. Even noma kuukuthi uyayisolela ngokuyisolela kwakho you will just keep it to yourself. Ake uimagine nje ekhaya kuthiwa ekhaya inquma zenziwa ngubaba nomama wekhaya kuthiwa zenziwa ile ndodakazi yabo endala njobe ikhaya nje likwenzeka lokhu nalokhu. Can you imagine ngesithunzi sobaba oyinhloko walelo khaya ukuthi sidicilelwa kanjani phansi abazali balabo bantwana noma baloyo mntwana, isithunzi sabo sidicilelwa kanjani phansi ukuthi kuthiwe ama decisions wenzelwa noma benzelwa ingane yabo, uyena one influence, short uyena one power over ama parents wakhe. Because kufanele sibe nento kanje, kufanele kube nomehluko bafethu between influence ne decision making. If kuukuthi kukhona izinto ududuzile mhlawumbe azirayizayo kubaba wakhe noma azirayizayo mhlawumbe uma kuukuthi bakuma meetings mhlawumbe namanye ama lead MK party, there's a difference because unayo ilungelo lokuthi naye angaraise ama points kuma meetings mangabe akabe kuwo ma meeting, but makufika kwi decision akanalo ilungelo lokwenza isinqumo ududuzile. So kumele sibe nako ukuhlukanisa between the two. She may have influenced, but at the end of the day she's not the decision maker. If kuukuthi mhlawumbe ipoint lakhe kuma debates liyezwakala noma mhlawumbe lihambisana nobufakazi bento ayishoyo and everything, mhlawumbe ama officials bese alithatha lelo point alisebenzisa ukwenza decision, then uyayibona lento ukuthi kahle kahle angeke sithi uyena owenza decision, but yena ube part of i discussion. Ama officials asebenzisa umqondo wabo, asebenzisa ne constitution, apply their mind kulawo ma point a discussiwe and then enza decision. So in short mina ngifuna ukuzama ukuthini, ngifuna ukuzama ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi sibukela phansi ama officials wethu ku MK party, sibukela phansi leadership yethu ku MK party uma sizothi ama decisions ama officials athathelwa outside of I office lapho akhulumela khona noma athatha khona izinqumo. Shothi siwabukela phansi, sibukela party, sibukela phansi MK party yethu. Angicabanga ukuthi umuntu oyi MK ngempela angayisho into enjengaleyo. Ngempela angicabanga ongahamba eneka ama leaders wethu ukuthi bayabheda lana abanayo nama details ukuthi kwenzakalani kuma meetings. Yingakho mina ngizothi at least ngizobe ngithi nami njoba ngihleli la ngumfowami Mkhonza, kunezinto engizibuza zona eziningi ezenzeka ku MK party ukuthi ngabe zenzeka kanjani, kufika kanjani kulesinqumo and all that, and kuningi bafethu, but I'm patient, ngilindile ukuthi makulokho hamba amalanga sizophendula. Kunezizathu zokuthi futhi kube nama delay, funa sibe patient nje, yiloko engikushoyo mina. Ake sikufundeni bafethu ukuthi sihlonipheni I leadership yethu, singahambi simemeza sisebenzisa ama emotions la, because lokho kugcina sekusondeza nezitha zethu ezikhona la ezifuna ukuphazamisa umsebenzi wethu njenge MK, ngoba abaningi ugcina ungasaboni ukuthi labantu abakhuluma lento le ingabe ngempela abangama member MK ngempela. Uyayibona, khona into engiyithandile ngithe ngiyedlulela nje izolo ku TikTok, ngathola ebambe i-meeting enzima nama TikTokers lapha na uMax Makhanya. Sawubona mfowami Makhanya manje uzoyibona le video. Ngimthola abambe i-meeting enzima kabi lapha kukhulunywa zona izindaba ze MK party. Esho kona lokho esikukhulumayo Makhanya ukuthi akakuboni kufanelekile futhi kuyinto eright ukuthi sibe silokhu sithi ama decisions MK party noma izinto ezenzeka ku MK party sithi ududuzile everything ududuzile, even eParliament ungene kanjani, bekhuluma ngezinto ezifana nalezo, of which ama point amaningi ngilalele lapha yaphela impela le ya conversation. Ngitholile ukuthi ukhuluma ngento vele okuwukuthi iyona kumele kukhulunywe ngayo, ukuthi asilungiseni iqembu lethu singavuleli izitha ukuthi zizokhomenta ngeinto ze MK party kube ngathi amamembe MK Party la. Kunabantu abaningi abangewona amamembe MK Party. Kodwa abadiscuss izinto ze-MK Party engazuthi amalungu MK Party. Because kwabanye uyabona even ngama comment section la kuma videos wenzayo ukuthi abengeke umuntu MK Party akhulume lokho. Uyakhona mangabe usebenza kahle umqondo uyakhona ukuthi mawuqeda nje ukufunda i-comment ubone ukuthi lona kusiwe MK lo. Nangu MK. Nangu futhi worried ngempela ngezinto ezenzeka ku-MK. Nangu ongenandaba ozodicelela nje phansi MK. Uyakhona ukubona lokho. Yingakho lana ngikhuluma nabantu abangamamember ngeqiniso MK. Ningavuma uku-influencewa kabi. Yilabo abangebona be-MK abakhona la ku social media. Thina sibheke phambili. So in short nje ngithi mina njengomfoka Mkhonza ngithi akukho decisions enziwa ku-MK Party enziwa uDuduzile. Cha, ayikho. Ama decisions enziwa ama officials e-MK Party. Enziwa i-leadership ye-MK Party. Ima lapho nje indaba. So asibe patient ke nakulokho kwenzakalayo nje endabeni nga Commander Floyd and everything, asibe patient. Bazoyenza i-decision. Naku sekucacile even kumanje ukuthi akayi eParliament and stuff. Mhlambe kungekudala sizothola i-press briefing about indaba ka Commander Floyd ukuthi what's the way forward evela mhlambe ku-MK Party, noma sothola i-statement esi-official nje kuphela esizovela ku-MK Party asazi, but asilindeni asibe patient. uFloyd Shivambu as for now usayimember ye-MK Party until it is declared otherwise by the leadership of the MK Party. That's all. Ngiyayibamba la. Umfoka Mkhonza lo. Ngiyanibonga mfethu. Please share, subscribe and comment. Let's discuss this matter. Siye phambili. Ngiyanibonga niphile bafethu.